It's Jackie from Primitive Star Quilt Shop, and I want to show you our Stratton shower curtain. So we pair it with a lot of burgundy items today. We've got our Blessed and Grateful wood sign, and then also just showing it with a burgundy towel on our reclaimed wood 3-hook towel rack. And then we've got it with our burgundy shower curtain hooks too. So just wanted to kind of show you how it looks with other burgundy, and also with the Stratton oval braided rug. So this Stratton has a lot of different colors in it. It's got some greens, a little bit of like a salmon color, some burgundy. Along the bottom you'll find some gold and navy. The rug features gold and burgundies and blues, along with some creams and tan. So just a lot of people love the Stratton shower curtain, and just wanted to show you that and let you see it up close, and as it's featured with some burgundy accents. And all these things can be found from Primitive Star Quilt Shop. VHC Brands is the manufacturer of the Stratton shower curtain and braided rugs, and we are just so pleased to be partnering with them and offering their awesome products to our customers. That's what we've got today from Primitive Star Quilt Shop.